Oh, I'm back at Marcia. Look at this. The castor oil I'm up here so nice and black. And the coconut oil. This is Rasta Marcia place. Back in it. Forward back. Marcia, how you doing?
I'm doing great.
Long time I no see you.
Long time you think you're my great. I'm not coming back. Cut one melon.
You cut melon? Let me see the melon there, cut. Can I get a piece, please? I don't eat no melon since my come. So that you use the cucumber for though. That are your knife cleaner.
Right, the right one.
People, this is the lady wanna come for the herbs, you know. Stall 21 at Charles Garden Market in Montego Bay. When you come Jamaica, stop here. And not just the food, you know, she have something in the back there. If you don't have sick and sprain or certain things happen to a man.
Right.
If you don't have man problem, woman problem, she had ancient. Enough people talking about she have enough time for years. I talk about other lady I learn from. You see, other lady I earn from. She have everything. These are my people.
You have the seed and you have the leaf. Which one you want? The leaf, you know better.
People come for them herbs and things.
How much work you want?
And they want to talk to her because they say you don't have to talk to her. If you have a man problem, come talk to her. You see this alright. You see the coconut oil?
500.
The coconut oil now, you hear about the coconut oil now. This, drink 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons in the morning and 2 at night. Keep your intestines slippery and good for Alzheimer's, your brain. It's very important. They sell them love the oil. You know. So they know. Of course the black castor oil, rub upon your neck and them say your eyelid and your navel too. You see me? And clean yourself with it and clean up your wife with it too. Don't drink too much of this, little bit. Always get you busy. Always have it in your purse with a little grater. You see? So now, these are the ancient place, you know. Epsom salt and everything. Everything you need. So she have everything.
Every kind of human.
Man, and she can clean it up and make a belly little.
Yeah.
You see how my belly little? And she teach me how to make my belly little. Look how my belly little. I don't carry shit around no more. I meet master and that's what this shit.
Beg you a piece of paper there, please.
Which one is it?
The piece of brown paper.
This right here?
Yeah. You're not going on. You can't stay.
Okay. So people, I'm the top herbalist, I'm the top ancient. And she, I'm a par from 15 years now. I'm a star. Lady that no one in China, Jamaica.
You know, just tell me say you have married.
Woman never strong. I'm strong. She all have broom too. Remember if you hang.
Marenga.
Good for the eyes.
Yeah.
What else is it good for?
Your nerves. Your plenty things.
Well, you have for high blood pressure.
Good Paris. Miranda. Over 30 different complaints of your body.
The leaf, you drink it in the tea every day?
You can mix it or you can put in a smoothie or anything.
Leaf better than leaf good.
The leaf and the seed.
Good for glaucoma too. See how the people at the star, you know. Should not go. I'm a star this. Rasta Marcia, star 21. 21 in Montego Bay. So when I get to the moringa leaf, you see.
So your customer come to buy some. And you need some of the seed also.
Okay. Ancient. Supporting our ancient people then. Lime expensive nowadays, you know, people. I'm telling the plant lime tree. You know, listen to me. Yes, but there I'm over here now. On my place. This is my place. This are my people then. I remember saying out there that herb shop over here, so basically I want family, you see. So you can get everything you need. Yeah, so what's up there too? Oh, what's up? I'll kiss you have too. Wow, people, what a life. Alright, get to know. Now the castor oil on the navel, in the ears, face, head, eyelid for the eyes then. When you're asleep.
Yeah, and it's
Up on your stomach too.
I don't hear so you have fibroid.
Fibroid.
Yeah, good.
Yeah. Ankle too. Joints. Clean out the rectum too. And you clean up on yourself, man. Go to Jamaica Health Box and get the whole body cleanse. That whole body cleanse, no normal. Get the starter box. And you need Nona detox. You need blood purifier. You need circulation tonic. And you need to take care of yourself. And lose the cow and choose a pop chow. Pop all that. And you lose the cow and choose a pop chow. What is this, mama? Mint?
No, it's not a mint, it's a herb.
What name? See the people, yeah. Just love the liberty. Rasta Marcia, when you come off the airport. See that? Rasta Marcia, can I have a piece of your watermelon, please?
Okay.
It have seed tonight, right? So you can't talk when she cut tonight. When she deal with our food thing, our knife clean. Very spiritual woman, you know. Yes, I. Time. I'm patient. Thank you, Rasta Marcia. See, I am blessed because in Jamaica, when I come sit down in the corner, I don't come take my seat, you know. Don't come, but I can't sit down. But nobody come take up my seat and me think. I want to make her sit down on her chair. You see? So anyway, we live the good life. I'm going to bring a big plate next time I come in. I want a big chalice. I want a plate.
How long do you think you have ginger?
Nice and sweet.
Alright, this is about.
When is your birthday again?
The 16th of November. Huh? 19th. We'll have more ripe one to go. Buy a pie restaurant.
What time y'all leave today?
Can't leave anytime, you know, because they just put up sign. They don't put sign Time say market will be closed earlier. Market will be closed earlier.
Can you Rasta, Marcia?
Yeah, dear.
In the market now, the water now go rough, man. You just tie up the thing and that's it. That's what you do for the last time.
Yeah. Take up.
And just
outside, then tie down.
and just say couple prayers.
Eat out the whole of the melon at the inside.
Okay,
of
ma'am.
the street. Nothing in the ingredients. Huh?
You want a piece of my melon? You don't want a piece of my melon?
I'm a customer in the ask if you want one slice of melon.
Marcia, please pass this on to her, please. All right, my dear. Take care. Welcome to Jamaica. This is a place we share. And no food the pantry, a beer. Jaja City.
It's alright, make it safe. I can't drop wrong again. How your brother? How your husband?
Rasta Master, please set me up coconut.
What did they tell me if we set you up? And now you usually come to come your things.
Let me set myself up.
Where you park? Where you park? Right, see garbage pan outside.
My pop
Where you park?
over the store.
Huh?
Over the store.
I want to park in my street, you know.
No man. I'm parking at the store. I have to pay for parking. Alright, Rasta Master. Are you a car load them this?
Yeah.
Alright. May I get a bag? The little short point in them never catch, you know. Never catch. Maybe me plant them in the corner.
You know the leather on the inside like the feel. I want the redness have sticky night, you know.
Mm-hmm.
The redness have nothing in it. People are the fire got down.
I don't want to touch your melon. This is my soup.
Asela!
Masha.
I usually take a couple of things and some of
A purple onion you have? Family, this is Randy. Yeah, Marcia. Pick up my thing here, so I'll strain it to now. I'll have greater too. I cook my soup for the storm I come, so I have to cook my big soup. So the bag?
When you get something you can container. You can come with your empty and to get something. Because when you get, you can't carry in a bag. You can't carry in your hand. We don't support bag out of school. Any bag what me is, the one me have to use. So I send to sell them. You can't go by the time. You can't go by the time now. One bag. You're not here. You can't get the time now.
Where is it now? Oh, I can't solve that problem there. You can't solve it easy. You live here, right? Solve that problem there for yourself. So much stress that on my head, I don't want to add no more.
What are they, boy?
Marcy, I'm going to start drinking turnip water. You have turnip? Do you have any turnip, Marcy?
No turnip at all. No turnip.
The turnip water good every day, you know.
Really?
Turnip water, I clean the blood. Nothing can touch you if you drink susumba water and turnip water. Cut the susumba leaf, wash it good in the hot water, kill the bacteria. Then you crush it so cut it up with scissors and soak in the water in the fridge. Room temperature, take it out. You see that?
Burner not there. Sorry.
Alright, Marcia, weigh the thing up for me, please. Yes, ma'am. How you doing, little girl? Funny cat. This is Jamaica.
You see her?
Yeah. Life the year. It's a nice cat. Life the year, people. See it? Life the year. Life is here. Look at that. Look at life. Eh? Little girl of our cat.
I cat didn't see.
Is she happy?
Watch out! Watch out! Go on, go on to my grandma. Go on to my grandma. Let me see if he might come with you. Go on to my grandma. Let me see if he might follow you. Watch out! Watch out! Come! Come! Come on! Go on to my grandma.
Sit there. Sit there. People, so remember, here she is, your one and only.
Rasta Marcia.
Fix up your woman bladder, your fibroids, the man them have man problem.
Yes,
what is your specialty?
Manwood can't turn up. Tell them no mad problem. For they might have people say a different. Manwood can't turn up wood.
Or them can't stand pan it long.
Stand pan it long.
Because you're Jamaican, you have to go furlong.
Yeah, for them have Jamaica woman.
Because them no joke. You have to put them under manners, and if you can't perform with them go find another man, right? I saw it go?
Same way it go.
Okay. So people see her there, fixing up. Set me up.